Sammy the Starfish and the Moonlit Rescue. In the depths of the blue where the water's clear, lived Sammy the Starfish, beloved far and near. One night under the moon's soft glow, Sammy noticed the currents began to slow. The ocean's rhythm was oddly still. A silence spread, a sudden chill. Sammy ventured out to seek the cause, guided by the ocean's ancient laws. He met Mira the Mermaid, distressed and sad. The moon pearl's gone, it's terribly bad. Without its light, our world will fade. Her voice a whisper, afraid and frayed. Together they searched the reefs and sands, asking for help from the sea's many bands. Jellyfish with their luminous glow pointed the way for them to go. Deep in the cave of the whispering whales, guarded by sharks with thick, tough scales, lay the moon pearl, glowing dim, stolen by a squid, sly and grim. Sammy, with courage, led the band to reclaim the pearl from the squid's cold hand. With a flick of his arm, quick as a flash, Sammy grabbed the pearl during a daring dash. Back to the surface, they all swam fast, placing the pearl where it was seen last. The ocean lit up, the currents flowed free. All the creatures rejoiced from the fish to the bee. Sammy the Starfish, a hero so bold, returned to his home, stories untold. Every night under the moon's soft gleam, the ocean sparkled, thanks to his team. The end.